Hello all. Today topic is how to design spaceship shaped LED for car interior. Required components 5 mm RGB LED 4 quantity, 10 mm transparent RGB LED 1 quantity, micro USB type B 1 quantity, connecting wires, 3D printing enclosure 1 quantity, under ohm 1 watt resistor 1 quantity, switch 10 cross 9 mm 1 quantity. Schematic for LED connection. This circuit consists of 4 5 mm LED and one 10 mm LED along with 100 ohm resistor, 1 watt resistor and one rocket switch, and final component is USB OTG connector, micro USB. The operation of the circuit is the micro USB consists of V bus and ground signal. The V bus positive is directly connected to switch one terminal and switch another terminal directly connected to resistor one terminal, and resistor other end directly connected to LED positive in the circuit. All positive connected in the single rail and other end of LED the negative pin connected in negative rail. When we apply the 5 volt in the USB OTG connector, the switch is closed, the LED will blink very brightly. Part order link. Here I listed all component links for procurement, and also if you want enclosure part, kindly contact my email ID. Let's see practical session.
Hello all. In this practical session, so here this is a enclosure, a spaceship enclosure. Here we need to connect the 4 LED in bottom side, and top side is we need to connect the 10 mm LED, and here it is that micro USB port, micro USB connector, and connecting wires, and this is the 5 mm LED. First we fix this all the items in this enclosure. After that we will apply the power utilized in this USB port. We will check that output as soon as possible. First of all, I fix this LED in this enclosure. Here, look at here. This is a 5 mm LED as a 10 mm LED, and also fix the switch here. See here, I fix the switch. On off switch is fixer. Next, we need to connect all the connection. We need to connect all the connections, and we need to fix this USB port. and finally we will show the final output. We will see the final output. Solder the LED here. I solder this LED internally, positive and positive solder. Look at here inside. Yeah, all positives are connected in this inside, and negative also connected one side. Yeah, I connected the two different connections inside the enclosure. Now it is, I fixed the connector here. I connect the micro USB, I fix it inside of the enclosure. Now I connect the wire inside of this enclosure now. See this, now the enclosure, everything is completed. Inside wiring, everything is completed. I fixed this, all the LED here. Now I switch on the device. See this output. Yeah, this is the final output. Look at here. This is the phase shift light. Tomorrow I will fix this light in my car. We will check this, how about that in a car inside, this light flashing, and then brightness also we need to check inside of the car. Final output for phase shift light. I fixed it in my car. Look at here. This blinking light is blink very brightly. So night time I checked yesterday, so that very bright, but not clearly visible the image in the video. So that's why that daytime I checked here. They are very bright lights. Kindly subscribe my channel. I will update the automotive related technical videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.